going on, guys? Good morning. We are back. For those that don't know, I didn't trade on YouTube Thursday and Friday. I had to go on a trip, and I just wasn't at my setup, right? Oh, what the hell? Okay. Anyways, so we are back in the market, but today it looks a little bit not the best. It doesn't look the best, at least so far. We do have stuff that's like what's it called? We do have stuff that's kind of messing up the market. We have Trump speaking again at 1 p.m. So we don't know how that's gonna go. But here, let me stop the live stream. Trying up. We don't know how that's gonna go. Hopefully it moves the market, but I kind of doubt it. We have a massive SMT right now going on, which I'll explain right now as I start the live trading. But I don't know, from the looks of it, I'm not liking this market too much, but I'm not saying that we can't get a trade going. By the way, for those that missed it, bro. Anyways, for those that missed it, we ended up catching a 300-point trade on NQ on Friday, but the market moved so fast that I couldn't get filled, but some of the members ended up getting filled. So yeah, Friday was, I don't know if I want to consider it good. I don't know if I want to consider it a very sad day, but we missed out on a lot, or at least I did, right? Anyways, here, let me go ahead and start up the live trading and, start from there. Yeah. Yo, what's good? All right, so coming into market, guys. Coming into the market, I'm not liking it too much right now. I'm sure you guys know why. I'm sure you guys have been looking at the market, but I don't know. Here, let me show you guys. Right. So first things first. What is the first thing happening in the market? Well, ES and NQ, they're not following each other, which is not good. Right, we always need them to follow each other because that tells us that, you know what I mean, like everything is kind of like following along in the trend, right? So over on ES, as you guys see, we are in a massive, or not massive, you know what I mean, like we're selling off, right? But on NQ, on the other hand, we're pumping up, right? Which is not a good sign, because then that means that we don't know which one is leading, and if we don't know which one is leading and both of them are going against each other, that kind of means, like we can't really, you know what I mean? Okay, yeah, I see the chat. Yeah. Anyways, this pretty much means that we don't know what the market wants to do. We don't know in what direction it's stronger in. You know what I mean? We don't know if it's bullish. We don't know if it's bearish. But the thing that I do like here is, although we have a really, really nice SMT with ES going down and NQ going up, NQ was the first one to actually take out a pretty strong level of liquidity that we created on Friday, actually, we just took it out right now, right? So what does this mean for us? Well, what this means for us is, now that NQ went up, right? Since it's kind of in a bullish SMT here, right? Now that NQ went up and took out liquidity, while ES has not taken out liquidity, which is this London low to the downside, this pretty much means that we have a higher chance of going down than we do going up. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Right? So let me kind of hold on. Let me kind of go live on YouTube here. Give me 1 second. Let me kind of put this out. Before I explain this, I'm put this here, and then let me put this here. So everything that I'm thinking right now, it looks like it's lining up pretty good, right? So let me kind of explain here. All right, guys. So you guys know ES wants to go down. Why does it want to go down? Well, obviously there's a lot more sellers on ES than there is on NQ, as NQ was going up and ES was going down, right? Now, as ES was going down, we have not taken out any levels of liquidity yet. The nearest one that we have is at 6,062.50, which is the London low. All right. Now, with us not being able to take out any liquidity on ES, this means that we still have room to go lower, right? But what is the reason on why we're not going lower? Well, it's because NQ is actually holding up, right? But in this case, now that NQ actually took out this liquidity on the 15-minute time frame up here from Friday, right? This gives us a chance to sweep liquidity on NQ, right? Get buyers kind of out of the picture, and then make kind of have sellers try to step in. Right now, if sellers step in over on NQ and ES already wanted to go down into the liquidity below, this kind of tells us, you know what I mean, like what the market wants to do in this case. You get what I'm saying? Now, the thing is we don't have, since the volume is kind of weird today, we don't have a setup to trade to the downside, because I would want to target like this low, and maybe even this one, or not even. You know what I mean? Like I would want to target this. So that's the problem. But so far, I mean, like I said, I'm not liking the way the market is looking right now. It's not looking super you know what I mean, like it's not looking super good, but uh like based off like the reading, I want to say we have a good chance of really going down here. I mean, keep in mind, guys, we're rejecting off this 5 and 15 minute bearish rally gap. We still have liquidity. We're getting the selling. We're probably gonna form the not the SMT, the MSS. You guys get what I'm saying? It looks good. It looks good. Although the market conditions aren't the best so far, we are selling off here. So if okay, look, if we can create a fair value gap in this candle right here, we could for sure use it. The thing is, if we sell off, we're probably gonna take out this liquidity. But if the selling looks strong enough, we shouldn't worry about any of these two, and then target this low down here, which is the main low, the London low. You guys can see right here. But I don't know. It doesn't. I don't know. It's just the way the volume is right now. It's kind of a little bit confused. I don't want to say if it's confusing. It just doesn't look the best. Um, so we'll see. But we do have a 15-minute bearish rally up here on ES. That we could probably use to our advantage some way. You know what I mean, as we go on. But NQ on the other hand, I don't know. This doesn't look good. So if we do get a trade today, it would probably be a really slow one. And don't expect anything, you know, like 100 points. At least not in this trade. At least not in this trade. Yeah, bro. All night trade paid, bro. Nice, bro. Nice. How many points was that? It looks like close to 350. I'm assuming that was like a 60, 80 point trade. Anyways, but yeah, like I said, if we should be able to get some selling to come in right here. Once we get that selling going, we should be able to create a fair value gap on the way down. And it seems like sellers are picking up a lot more on NQ over than ES, which is a really, really good sign. Because how do I explain this? Like, as long as ES doesn't take a liquidity, we can get as much selling as possible on NQ, because the nearest low is all the way down here, and we have a lot of room to the downside. We have about, I want to say like 80 points to the downside, which could be a really, really nice trade. Yeah, about 80 points. The thing is we have 3 minutes to create a gap here, which, like I said, the volume is not looking the best. So I'm not sure if we can even get one. Yeah, 27 points. We need to sell off kind of like 13 more points, if that's possible. But I don't know. It's the volume is I don't like it. But we'll see. We'll see. I also want to see how we react off this low right here. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds into this candle. If we can see price hold below, like I want to say like 740, we should be good for a setup. If we don't hold below this in this candle right here, it's probably not going to be a good morning. That's all I'm gonna say, because the volume right now, it's not too convincing, and I'm sure any news. Yeah, I was about to say that. I'm sure you guys probably don't know, but once again, Trump is talking at 1 p.m. I think about tariffs again, so I didn't want to say it, but we're probably gonna chop until 1 p.m. and maybe even after. So yeah, it's a Monday with no news. Usually they go pretty good, but you know. No, I mean, CJ, it's kind of all it's temporary, bro. I mean, I don't know if he's fixing anything, but all of this is just because he just got into office. You get what I'm saying? Like, he's trying to do everything that he wanted to do as fast as possible. You know? We got Powell speaking at 10. No. That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow. That's for tomorrow. Now, one thing that I like, one thing that I do want to consider is, now that my bias is definitely leaning more towards bearish, I don't know if I want to like take this trade right here, but I definitely do want to see how it plays out, because this 15-minute, it looks interesting. You know what I mean? Like, we have a bearish bias on the lower time frame. We have room for lower. We have NQ lining up bearish, and we have a bearish 15-minute fair value gap on ES. Now, obviously, you guys know it's ES. We don't really like to trade this because, you know what I mean? Especially in a choppy market, it's a nightmare. You know, but I definitely do want to watch it just in case. You know what I mean? Like, it's probably gonna be like a plan B type of trade. Like, if we really want to trade and we have a good bias, and you know the market is there, we can always try to take this trade right here and kind of just go for it. You know what I mean? So we'll see. But yeah, the one thing is just, you guys know, usually right off open, the volume is like if it's not good, then it's probably not gonna be good for the entire morning. You know, if you really want, yeah. I mean, what I mean by that is, like, if the market looks really good, you know what I mean? So, but we'll see. Right now, buyers are still trying to step in right here. So I don't know if this is gonna be anything good or you know what I mean. ES on the 5 minute looks way better. Yeah, ES does look a lot better. So I don't want to say it, but I might be open to trading ES today. It's a chill day. You know what I mean? Like ES does look pretty clean, to be honest. We'll see. Obviously, we need to make sure that we actually hold up this 15 minute. And the reason I'm not doing the 5 minute on ES, it's the same thing actually. But the reason I'm not doing the 5 minute is because this candle doesn't look. I would prefer at least to be like 9 points. How do I trim on trading view? You just sell less. So the same way you sell, instead of selling all your contracts, just sell a little bit. You know. You size the same on ES? No, I usually do like on ES. I kind of do like 15 contracts usually, because the thing is ES moves so much more. Like it moves really slow. Yeah, like 13, 15. I mean, is the ES ticker MES H5? Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is. Did I miss it? Bro, I was here on Friday, bro. Bro, yeah, 50. Because remember, okay, look, wait, is it 15? I haven't traded ES in so long that I forget my sizing all the time. Hold on, let me tell you guys. Okay, so we usually like to risk about like 400. Wait, let me screenshot my entire screen. Okay, so we usually like to risk about 400 per trade, 450-ish per trade. At least I do. I don't know about you guys. So let's kind of risk like, let's do like a 5-point risk. Yeah, 5 points isn't anything crazy. So let's do like 410 and then 4005. Okay, so if we do 15 contracts, how much would that be? Yeah, 15. Yeah, 15 contracts. Because if we're risking 5 points, on ES 5 points is a lot. You know what I mean? We're risking, if anything, maybe more. Because 375. Okay, now let me not get too ahead of myself. But usually I do 15 contracts. So if we have like a 5-point stop loss on this trade right here. So for example, if it will look like this, let's say we take short off any rejection. We look for 5 points, so our stop loss will be like up here, right? And then we just target this right here. Not only are we looking at a 1-2 risk reward, are we? Yeah, a 1-2-6 risk reward, but we're also only risking 375, which, you know what I mean, it's not too bad. Now, if you guys want to size a little bit less, it's not a big deal, you know. But that's what I would do. Now, obviously, we need to see how this candle closes in the next 2 minutes. But for now, I want to say that my bias is going to be bearish. So yeah. Why does it look different on my chart? For example, move differently than regular. No, they're not moving differently. The price might be different, but it doesn't do anything. As long as the chart moves the same, it'll be fine. All right. Anyways, now I don't want to see too many buyers try to step in here, because then that's gonna ruin our bias a little bit, and then we're really gonna be screwed for the morning, because this market is not moving at all. We have to trade with what we have right now. All right. Are you trading NQ or ES? We don't know yet. But right now we're kind of considering ES more than NQ, just because it just looks cleaner. It looks better. It looks like we can actually get a good read here compared to NQ, where it looks like a mess. You know what I mean? So, isn't the max contracts 10? No. There's no max contracts that you could do. Yeah, 14 points on the 15 minute. I do like this, honestly. I really do. Now, I just want to see how we react off this gap. If it's a bearish reaction, we'll do it. You know what I mean? We'll do it. Are you trading when there's a setup MESH or ESH? No, I'm doing MES. I always do M, guys. Always do micros. Always. But yeah, we'll see. In the meantime, let me kind of type this up just in case I do see something. Yeah, we would only have 2 price targets as well, which is something crazy. But you know what I mean? For a day like today, don't expect much. You know, so if it does get hit, if anything, we could just hold the runner for however low. 150. Okay. Yo, David. How do I sign into my PA account on TradeAway? I just got my username, but the same password is not working. Can you help me out? It should be the same. Okay, look, the same username and password that you use to sign into your evals. It should be the same thing for your PA. All that changes is like the name of the PA. As long as this is PA Apex and then a few numbers, you should be good. Let me see. I know you probably get asked this 1,000 times, but what's your favorite strategy and for what stock? Well, it's a strategy that I trade right now. It's the what's it called? The Fair Value Gap one. It's a Fair Value Gap MSS with the sweep, and then I just trade it on Q all the time. All right. Anyways, guys. Okay, so we're about to get this buying coming in, so we might be able to get an entry soon. Wait, what's the selling coming in? I don't know. I mean, the selling looks. Okay. I want to see us retrace more into this gap right here for us to be able to get something. Let's see. I want to do like the midpoint. And the reason I want to do the midpoint is because the 5-minute gap starts at 77. So if we can get a 5-minute and 15-minute gap projection, that'd be amazing. You know what I mean? It'll be a 2-on-1 pretty much. But NQ on the other hand, it's not doing anything. So it's not even like we can get a good reading on NQ. So we're kind of, I'm gonna say we're kind of forced to do ES today, which I don't know. I don't know how it'll go. But all right, let's see. Okay, so we're inside of the 5-minute gap now, which we're also rejecting off the 15-minute midpoint. So maybe we can get a trade here. I don't know. I want to see like if we can get like a nice green to red flip on both NQ and ES, it'll kind of show that they're following each other. But we'll see. Because I don't want to take an inverse. I mean, definitely not. I'm not interested in taking inverse. But NQ is breaking new highs here, so it might mess ES up. Now, if we do reject from here, this will be like the final chance that we have to. Yeah, no. Definitely not. Definitely not. If anything, we can still work with NQ, but the idea on ES, it looked good, but I don't know. It's just too much buying. I'm not interested in it. No thanks. No. I'm not doing this for sure. Let me see. How many contracts? 15. No, we're not even gonna get it anymore. So don't even worry about. Don't even worry about it. I'm confused. Did you see that you trade MES and MNQ? Yeah, I always do. I always do. Why shorts? We didn't take the DOL above. Well, we did on NQ. I'm basing my bias based off the DOL up here, right? This one right here. And since we were selling off and we had a bearish value gap, I was considering shorts on ES, but it doesn't. You know what I mean? It doesn't really. It's not lining up. You know what I mean? So far, it's still a pretty ugly market. Nothing's really calling my name anymore. Do we have a gap here though? 35 points. No, nothing crazy. Now, I still want to see that we could definitely get a rejection. It just won't look good. I won't be confident in it, especially with the way the volume is. How many contracts will you do on ES? Okay, if we do trade ES, it will always be 15. Always. Let me see. They scare you, bro. No, I mean they were good, but it just they don't really like happen as often. Now, a part of me wants to say that we could still reject off this, but I wouldn't want to enter because we inverse the gap. It kind of already doesn't work anymore. And it wouldn't make sense for us to reject. I mean, it kind of would because look at NQ. It probably wants to stick out this high or something. I don't know. The way the market is set up right now it's weird. You know what I mean? It's usually you know what I mean. We get like we get a pretty good setup from the first 30 minutes of market open. In this case, we haven't gotten anything. So, how many strategies do you apply on a stock? I don't trade stocks. I do NQ and ES. How many contracts on NQ? Usually like 7 to 10. So you trade 10 micros on Q? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Pretty much. And that's with full size, remember. If I don't like the setup, I'll probably do like 7 or maybe 10 on ES. Stuff like that. Is it an inverse even though it doesn't close above the fair value gap? Yeah, as long as it breaks above the fair value gap and it fills the gap, the imbalance in that gap, it's kind of done for. So yeah, pretty much, yeah, the second it breaks above it, obviously it depends on the volume as well, but that's pretty much how it is, yeah. Maybe it's just a bank strap. I mean, from the looks of it, bro. I mean, the volume is dead, so I don't think there's too much action going on. Do you use bookmap? No, I don't. I don't really feel like you need it. You know what I mean? Anyways, okay, but it kind of seems like there is a lot of buying coming in. We're not gonna create another gap anytime soon. I mean, we have 20 seconds into this candle. There's nothing. But yes, is put. If anything, guys, wait. If anything, if we can hold up this gap for the next 10 minutes and we push up into 687, we can always look to inverse it since we took out this London high, but not this London low. Yeah, I mean, so 60K volume is pretty dead. I kind of read it through the way the price is moving. Like if price is moving slow, the candles, you know what I mean, they're not really pushing too much, then that means that the volume is dead. I don't really look at the numbers of the volume. I don't think that really means anything. Orange folder today. Okay, I'm not gonna say that doesn't do anything, but we don't have an orange folder today. Because I said that last time and you know. Wait. Do we have an orange folder? Yeah, no, we don't. No, we don't. What the hell? Okay, so what was that? What the fuck is that? Prices like shot up like crazy. I mean, okay. I guess I just marked out this gap instead. I mean, if we could take out this London high, I mean, we should be good, right? I don't know how strong buyers are looking, but because obviously there's no liquidity here that can get a reading from. So I don't know if we want to keep going up or if we want to reject from this big ass rally gap. I don't know. We're kind of in a spot where we have to give. We're forced to give the market time, maybe like I don't know, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, to give us like that perfect setup. But once we get it, we should be good. Now I really want to see us take out this higher. Okay, there we go. Now that we took it out, I would want to see a rejection like literally right. Like it would have to be right now. If not, then we're kind of screwed. Because if we do want to sell off from here, we would have to sell off 11 points, which is nothing crazy. But now, okay, look, do you guys get what I'm like trying to? Are we still gonna trade? Yes, I don't know yet, bro. I don't know. I'm kind of still like planning out a setup. I just told you guys. We do have 15. I know. I have that marked out. Yeah, bro. I've seen your message 3 times, bro. Relax. It's not a 10 point candle. Yes, though. Is it not? Yeah, no, it's enough. It's enough, especially on the 15 minute. Yeah, on the 15 minute, if we inverse this, we'll be fine. Look at Q, it's skyrocketing. Yeah, I know. It seems like we kind of wanted to shoot into the midpoint of this 15 minute because that rejection is like is perfect. But yeah, okay. So do you guys get what I'm trying to like get a reading for? Yeah, I can't read all the messages at once, bro. Anyways, okay. So now that we took out this London high up here, if we can get a sweep here, we could probably shoot down into this London low, and we could get shorts into that. You know, I I actually like to set up a lot more. I know we want to take shorts off this, but if we can get selling from here on out, the shorts here would actually be really really good. Like it would be amazing if anything. We just need more selling. And in the meantime, if we do inverses, we don't have to worry about any internals because the nearest internal is at 67.75. So if we get the sell if we get the sweep plus MSS plus the selling, I don't think there's anything stopping us after this inverse until this level down here, which would be a really nice setup. We just need more selling volume, which I don't know if I don't want to say we're gonna get it just yet because the buying looks really strong. I don't know where this buying is coming from either. I don't know if news. We don't have news. At least not on Forex Factory. So maybe something with Trump chemo. I don't know. I don't know. Do you think the gap on NQ is too small, bro? Too small, bro. Too big, bro. Look at this. This is like this was like the 300 point candle that we missed on Friday. Yeah, 219 points. It's way too big. I'd rather not. Anyways, what I want to see right now is I want to see if we can get some sign of selling soon. If we push up too high up, then it's not gonna be good. But because we can't be bullish. Or at least we can't trade to the upside. We took out liquidity already. You guys could, but I'm not going to. I mean, we don't have much to target anymore, especially with us taking out liquidity. I much rather wait for the spike in selling after the DOL sweep. So we're right now kind of what we're waiting for is to see if sellers can hold below 87 6,087. But yeah, today's gonna be more of an ES type of day. Wait for 11 a.m. Yeah, it's gonna take some time. It definitely is. Hopefully the volume doesn't die down. But yeah, I actually do like this a lot. So let me mark it out for you guys real quick. So what we're looking for is this with let me see, London DOL. Okay, so what we're looking for here is a DOL sweep, which I don't know. I mean, the selling on ES looks more aggressive than it does on NQ. I mean, it has a reason to look aggressive. We took our liquidity to be fair. So right here we're looking for a DOL sweep. Price to hold below 6,087. Okay. Now that we have that, we want to see an MSS form like into here. Wait for MSS to form with strong selling. And we have a 2.7 risk reward, which is really good as well. Yeah, surprisingly, I really like this setup on ES. And on top of that, if we do get selling, not only will we be inversing these 5-minute small gaps, but it will also show signs of a 15-minute bearish rally gap projection, which could give us the bias. It will kind of like boost up our bearish bias, because to be honest, we would be getting a continuation model off the 15-minute time frame, you know. So maybe this would be really good for a Monday. Not horrible. We just need more selling here, pretty much. But yeah, this is the setup that I'm looking at. Let me kind of put it out here in the chat. Premium watching this on ES. All right, yes. Tonight. Okay, there you go. Anyways, okay, so we are getting you guys see what I'm saying? Okay, I want to get you guys' thoughts on the setup. Do you guys like the setup as well? Like, do you guys like it as much as I do? It looks nice, right? I would say so. I kind of like it. And it's coming in strong. So yeah, he's trading yes. I am trading yes, bro. Yes, sir. NQ has a setup. Does it? No, it doesn't. Typically, we avoid a yes at all costs, but I don't know. I kind of really like it. What? Yo, bro. You look nice, bro. Thank you, man. What's the full size for us? Okay, if you want to do full, here, just use this. Hold on, let me just use this website and then just do it yourself out. There you go. We're turning yes, bro. Yes, guys. Yes, you guys gotta pay attention. I mean, for now, I don't know how this is looking. We want to see selling to form soon, but we don't know yet. We're kind of just waiting on it. But the setup is on ES. Couldn't we inverse the one on NQ2? There's really nothing to inverse. That's the thing. Because this is not a gap here. I don't think it is. Yeah, it's not. But even if it is, I mean, it's a really small one. Also, NQ looks really ugly. So what's it called for ES? MES H5. MES H5. Now we just need NQ to just reject, because the whole reason ES is going up, because obviously it did want to sell off, is because NQ is trying to break these highs. So we just need that selling signal on NQ, and then we should be good on ES to take shorts. The bar below that one is this one, right? Yeah, I wouldn't trade it. I would. Plus, NQ doesn't look the best right now. At least not to the downside. I mean, look at ES compared to NQ. It looks a lot cleaner. You know what I mean? Like there's a lot more momentum. It just looks a lot better. So below that one, you're talking about this one? Yeah, 35 points. Yeah, it's whatever. Set a buy, stop at. I don't usually set them, but if you want to do that, then yeah, sure, you could. I would say at 76. So that's where we want to enter. Okay, bro. I gotta get my water first. Uh, okay. Let me kind of type this out real quick. Okay, I gotta make sure of that. If we do get the trade, our stop loss will be around 6,081. Okay, yeah. But I really do like the setup. I just hope we get selling on the way. Like as we go lower and lower, I hope we get more and more selling because that'll be amazing. How many contracts should I use for 150K account? You could do like 10 or 15. You know, I'm gonna do 15. That's usually how much I usually go for. Yes, micros, right? Yep, it's always gonna be micros. How many ticks for TP? TP1 will be what do you check the ticks? Does it not show here? Oh, it's right here. 32. Yeah, 32 ticks. Or actually no. 33. That's if we get it. I don't know if we're gonna get it or not, guys. This is just something that we're just watching right now. The risk for 10 contracts. Yes. It's 3. Wait, what? No. Make sure you're doing MES. Shao. Make sure you're doing MES. Because the amount that we're risking right now, the amount that I'm risking is okay. Look, we want to enter around 6. Okay, look. So we want to do short. We want to do 6,076. Our take profit is going to be at, let's say, for example, 6,062.50. Our stop loss is going to be placed at 6,081. Right? If we're going to do 15 contracts, we're risking $375. Which is kind of nothing. You know what I mean, I'm fine risking this. I don't know about you guys, but you guys just base it off how much you guys want to, you know what I mean, risk per trade. How big of a stop loss? I typically always do 5 points. Bro, take away the Google page. Well, I'm trying to help you guys. But yeah, this is how much I want to risk per trade. Just with the chart and everything. So yeah. And then NQs look. I want to say we're getting some buyer exhaustion. I mean, the way the wicks are looking right now, sellers are trying to step in. So once we get that selling signal over NQ, ES should just completely sell off. No, I don't. SD. No. It's way too big. It's a 220 point candle, and it's gonna take forever to get a reading. So I guess for now we'll just stick to ES. Wait, Grabby's live trading? The hell? Bro. Okay. But yeah. But is that I just don't like the market today. No, I mean the one forming. Let me see. Oh wow, what the hell? Yeah, I mean if we inverse, I mean I'm sure if we inverse this gap down here on ES, we could also inverse this gap down here on NQ. You know what I mean for now, like I said, I got an email here. Oh, there you go. For now, like I said, I want to wait in the market. I don't really want to take anything just yet. Because you know what I mean, the setups it's not the best. This market today's market is definitely not the most convincing, but we do have a pretty decent setup to actually take. It's just gonna take some time. So I'd say like give it like maybe like 30 minutes max to play out, or for us to get an entry. You know what I mean? So in the meantime, I'll just read the chat. How do you feel about NQ on the 15-minute? Just hate trading ES. I know, bro. I don't like ES, but bro, it's the best we can get. And I mean, if the selling is there, it can still make us money. You know what I mean? Just size accordingly. You know. Check NQ on the 15 minute. I saw it. But don't worry, I saw it. I thought he took some Mondays off. Maybe he's just commenting. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Friday's opening fair value is not taken into consideration on the 15 minute. Yeah, no, we are using it. We've been using it. He's commenting? No, he's not. He's alerting. He alerted longs. He's been in longs for the last like 5 minutes. David, what's the thing used to calculate your contracts? Here you go, bro. David, when do you want to get in? I want to get in around here, like around 6,076. I want that to be my entry for shorts on ES. Now the thing is, I don't know how like or when we're gonna get shorts because the volume it's not the best. And if we chop into this gap, I won't take it, especially on ES. I'm not doing that. Do you just have this entry model or do you have more? For now, this is the only one I have, bro. This is the only. That's why we're kind of. You might be surprised. We never trade ES, right? So you know when it comes for like desperate times, we have to use ES when it gives us the entry. I'm not liking anything, to be honest. It's too slow. I agree with you, bro. I agree with you. But if we do get a strong pop or a strong impulse into this with the selling, we could definitely get it. What time frame? Oh, the 15 minute. This is the 15. No, the 5 minute. The 5 minute. The 5 minute. London sessions. What do you mean? I think we're gonna shoot higher. I personally don't think so. I mean, we've taken the London high on ES, and we've been taking the highs on NQ, and we have nothing above. So it's either we reject now or we shoot into 968. You know what I mean? So let's see. By the way, the selling is finally picking up here on NQ, which is what we were expecting. All right. Apex dropped another 80% off. No way. You're lying. Wait, guys. Hold on. Wait, what? Oh shit, guys. Apex 80% off again. Look, for 10 days. Oh, you already know, bro. You already know. Yeah, 2 back-to-back 80% off. Bro, you already know, bro. Hold up. Yeah, if you guys, little plug here if you guys want to get it. It's called Blastoise. There it is. Thank you, EJ, bro. But yeah, don't worry, guys. I'm still looking at the price right here, by the way. But yeah, another 80% off that quick? I don't know. Maybe something with the lawsuit or something, but that's good. That's good. So if you guys do want to use it, here, let me kind of like forward this message. I can't. Let me just copy everything. The lawsuit, yeah, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Apex has been in a lawsuit for a while. I don't know what it's based off of, but I don't know. I don't know. It's all private stuff, but word got around that they were in a lawsuit and everything. Anyways, but yeah, I did put it. I did put it out in the chat if you guys do want to get it. But yeah, these markets are weird. Yeah, bro. I don't get why we got so much selling to push back up. I don't like that. I don't like that. But the setup is still there, so we'll see. Bro, Krabi got stopped out, and then it pumped. No way. Wait, did he get stopped out? Yeah, he did. Let me see. NQ longs at 841, and then we shot down into like 834. Bruh. Bro, he got liquidity swept, bro. He did. He moved it to break even. Well, I mean, we're getting a lot of buying again, so I don't know. I'm not sure why. By the way, guys, if we don't see anything in like till like 11, I'm gonna give the market to 11, guys. We're gonna come back for the PM session because remember, Trump is speaking at 1 p.m. So the markets will for sure move. All right. Now I don't know how it will move. I don't know if we could trade into it, but we'll try it. All right. Can we just go long? No, I'm not me, bro. I'm not doing that. I can't take this anymore. Then, bro, get off the charts, bro. Get off the charts. How much can you group trade? 20 accounts at a time. 20 accounts at a time. Let me see. Trump is speaking. Yeah, apparently he's speaking on tariffs, I think, at 1 p.m. Go live at 1. I'll see. If the market is moving good, I'll do it. You know what I mean? but we'll see. Do you do live trainings? I say I do, but honestly, bro, the PM sessions are so bad that I usually never do it. But I mean, you know what I mean? Like, we can still do it. You know, I don't see it on Forex Factory. It's not there. Who was the one that had the picture of the of the of the thing? How long have you been with Apex? I've been trading with Apex for like, I don't know, like maybe almost 2 years, maybe. David, why didn't you take the ES inverse? What are you talking about? There's nothing here. Markets need to bring Biden back, bro. Are you ignoring the fact that we had a week where we had 200-point trades every single day? Are you crazy? No. I'm good off. I'm good off Biden, bro. I'm happy here, bro. I'm happy here. Why do you trade 10 instead of 20? I'm not gonna lie to you. I just don't have the balls to do 20 yet. It's a lot. It's mentally a lot. I do want to do 15 soon though. David, how big is your buffer per account roughly? I don't know if I should say that. It's a good amount. It's a good amount. It's in the 60s. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, Tom. Time. Let me see, bro. We're getting near the resistance. Oh, bro. What does buffer mean? It just means how much like how much I can like a safety net. Yeah, exactly, a safety net. But yeah, if you guys want to stack up on the oh, thank you, Mister. Thank you, Mister M. Yeah, Trump to sign executive orders at 1 p.m. ET, so Eastern time. All right, so guys, if we don't see anything, like I already said, if we don't see anything by 11, get off. All right, get off until PM session. But what I was gonna say is, guys, the Apex discount is they don't do discounts this often, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Fuck it. Damn, 60 plus. Yeah, I'm gonna request a payout soon. Probably this week. What do you think about NQ on the 15-minute time frame? I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like this. What time for PM session? I would say anything after 1, because remember, Trump is speaking at 1 on the dot, so anything after should be good. It's 125 for PA though. Okay, yeah. That maybe they didn't get in. Oh, trust me, bro. They got enough people. I mean, bro, you've seen their profits, you know. Apex is stacking up discounts before the rug pull. Nah, they will never do a rug pull. Apex is the biggest in the game. They won't do it. What time is it for you? It is 10:30. When should I go? When should I hit the gym? Do it after 11, bro. Like do it after we get off. Because right now it's, I don't know, it's not the best. But yeah, if you guys wait, never mind. I already said that. I just hate how slow the market is. With the 30% consistency rule, would the bigger accounts be better? Yeah, it will be, because you can make more. But the thing is, you can make more, but you have to do more work. You have to make more money. You have to do, it's a lot more. You know what I mean? What's up, Hanif? Bro, that looks nice, bro. By the way, congrats on the car. I'm sure I've told you, but NQ's going for the New York high, bro. We've been taking out the New York high. There's no more. There's no high until 968. Like if we keep going up, there's nothing stopping us until then. So we have like an extra, literally 100 points on the dot to go up if we want to go up. Now the thing is, I want to be bearish. I don't want to be bullish. So I'm gonna wait on this setup. I was Texas, bro. It was really good. I liked it. I really liked it. Let's get off and come back. I'm gonna give the market to like 11. What about 905? I don't have anything at 905. Not that I know of. Do I have anything at 905? Yeah. What is your 905? Yeah, no, there's nothing here, bro. It's just it's nothing here. I knew longs look good. Then why didn't you play into it? I did? Oh, nice. Bet. David used volume on the. Right. This is one boring market, bro. Maybe we're waiting for to inverse the 15-minute fair value gap on NQ, but that is one. That is like that's a huge gap. I don't know. I'm not sure. Usually I'm able to tell you guys. Usually I'm able to tell you guys if we're gonna inverse it or not. But when it comes to these gaps that look like this, bro, it takes it's a lot. You know what I mean? Like, it's really hard to read. Because the thing is, since the gap is so big, we can like reject off anywhere. You know. Not gonna lie, we've been getting more volume on news days. Yeah, but bro, it's not that. It's not about the problem. Is not it's not the volume. It's kind of getting the setup. Because the news kind of always ruins it. You know. Would you be mad if the next 25-minute candles were all wick, no body? I hope not. I would just take cash. I wouldn't be mad about it. I see what you're saying. Even if one forms inside, exactly, it's just gonna be really messy. So that's what I'm telling you guys. We're in a spot where I kind of don't like the market right now. But I'll try to trade it, of course. I'll try. But look at this. You know what I mean? Like, we want to see short into this. As far as the trade, what will make you change your bias? Nothing. And the reason I'm saying nothing is because we've taken out every single high, but we haven't taken out a single low. And obviously, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade into highs or into DOL above when price is trading at highs. It makes no sense. You know. What's the difference between a demo account and a live account during the evaluation phase? It's always gonna be demo. Even if you pass the account, it'll always be on simulation. Bro, Joker. But yeah, all this is, guys, is all patience. We've been through these slow markets before. Give me and the market time, and I promise you guys, we can make it work. It's just right now we can't really work with anything, so it's gonna be one of these days where it's super slow. How do so how do they make money if it's a simulation? They make money by you. Okay, obviously you guys know most people don't pass these accounts. I mean, most people, since they're so cheap. I mean, look at the discount, for example, the 80% off right now, right? They're so cheap that people, they buy the account. They're like, oh, I don't really care if I blow it. They full port it. They blow the account most of the time, feeding money to Apex. Exactly, they make money from the gamblers. Exactly. Why do you think? Why do you guys think Apex has so many rules to stop gambling? Because they know you're gonna gamble the evals, so they don't put rules on them. But if you pass that and you gamble the PAs, they don't want to pay you if you gamble it, right? So yeah. As Krabby says, okay, that's okay. You guys know me and Krabby. You know, we're pretty. You know, what I mean, we agree a lot with each other, but me personally, I don't think news speeds things up. I don't think so. I really don't think so. Look, bro, the chart could be as bullish as possible, but if there's war going on, like for example, let's say war starts, which God forbid, you know what I mean? But let's say war starts at 1 p.m. Price doesn't know that. It's not gonna speed up into it. It's gonna react based off the news. So I know Krabby says that price speed or news speeds price up. I don't think so. That's something I kind of disagree on. Breaking news, no, bro. But yeah. What are the PAs? PA is the accounts that you get after you pass the evals. But yeah, the way Apex makes all their money, and they make a lot of money. I'm talking millions of dollars a month from you guys. It's because a lot of you guys like to full port. A lot of you guys like to get, let's say for example, I put out one losing trade. I'm seeing, oh, I blew my account. Oh, I blew my account. Oh, I blew. Like, it's one trade. You know what I mean? Like, you guys have to chill out, because that's how Apex makes their money. You guys full port all these trades. You guys, you guys gamble everything. You guys get bored. You guys start, you know what I mean? So, you know? So they make the money from all that. And if you do win, they take a cut. No, you don't. You keep 100% of the money. Anything happening? No, bro. Nothing. Nothing. It might have to be a PM session, bro. I mean, we can still use this exact setup. It doesn't look bad at all, but I don't know, bro. I don't. Right now, it's you know. I thought they took 10%. They take it after you make $25,000 on the account, but that's per account. So if you don't want to do the 90-10 split, just make another account and it'll just reset. It's not based on our failure. Well, I mean, bro, most businesses are based off your failure. It doesn't mean that, you know what I mean? Like, okay, look, think of it like this. If you trade on a live account, okay. Let me word it like this. If you can't pass an EVA account, what makes you think that you're gonna make money on a real account? You're probably gonna lose the same amount of money, bro. Like you're gonna, you know what I mean? You're probably gonna lose regardless. So you're kind of like cushioning the fall, I guess. You know what I mean? Yes, life is more stressful, but that's what like you guys gotta like understand if you guys can't have the emotions nor the discipline nor the patience to pass an eval account, what makes you guys think that you're gonna pass a real account with real money? Come on now. I mean, let's use our brain here. You know what I mean? Sure, it might seem like, oh, Apex makes money off us losing, but so does the market. You know what I mean? That's how it works. That's how the market moves. You know what I mean? Where there's a loser, there's a winner. You know? Do you go to a Super Bowl? I don't even watch that shit. I don't really. Let me see. Blast, I tried to ask for a payout and they denied it due to improper risk management. Okay, so usually what you do there is just trade for 8 days again, but just look to make like $50 a day. You'll be fine, and just request again, and you'll be good. I'm actually gonna start trading a 2K live account. Wish me luck. Good luck, bro. But you know what I mean? Like, look, bro. Make sure you have everything set up. Like I said, if you can't pass an EVA account, or if you find yourself struggling to barely pass an EVA account, do not go to a live account. And this goes for everyone. I'm trying to help you guys. You know what I mean? Because I mean, if you can't manage your emotions, if you're full porting everything on an EVA account, what makes you think that you know you're not gonna get any emotion with a live account and full porting? And look, you're gonna get more emotion from a live account than an EVA because that's not only is your money, but you know that it's like real money. It's not simulation. Will you make more money on a live account? I mean, it depends how much money you're trading with. You know. I would say the only benefit to a live account is you don't have all of the rules that are stopping you. Like if you want a full port, you could. Should you? No, but you know. I'm doing well on my PAs. I'm just opening a live account so my college brother can quit his shitty ass job. Okay, but bro, don't open an account for for someone that doesn't know how to trade. You know what I mean? That's not how it works. You know, so be careful. Think it out. Would you ever go to an F1 race in Miami? For sure. Yes. Yeah, for sure. No, I'll be trading. Oh, okay, then yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just remember, bro, don't get. It's gonna feel a little bit different. It's gonna feel a little bit different. Yeah, the challenge is not to be an apex loser, dominating our emotions. Yeah, but keep in mind, bro. Okay, think of it about it like this, guys. The whole marketing thing behind Apex. Why do you guys think these accounts are so cheap? Because it's kind of like a marketing game, or not even kind of. It is a marketing game, right? You guys see these accounts for $15, $20. No one really cares about $15. You know what I mean? It's not the end of the world if you lose it, right? So you buy these accounts, right? Imagine millions of people buying these accounts, right? To me, $15 is not the end of the world, right? But when a million people are buying 15, that's all going into one company. You get what I'm saying? So when we don't care about losing $15 and we're forwarding these accounts over and over and over, right? We're feeding $15 every 2 seconds over to Apex. You get what I'm saying? So that's how they're making their money. But guys, you guys gotta keep in mind, they don't control you guys losing. They're not forcing you guys to lose. It's you guys. You know what I mean? You guys are here full porting. You guys are here trading with emotions, revenge trading. It's your fault. You get what I'm saying? So it's not. It's you know what I mean? It's just how it works. Why bother? Just ask anyone. Yeah. So yeah. Live accounts are more risky than prop firms. Yeah, but by like, why do you guys think I don't do live accounts? I could, but I don't know. I've tried live accounts. It not only can I make more money from prop accounts, but um I don't know. I just feel less stressed. You know what I mean? Knowing that it's not like if I lose the account, I'm not losing my money. You know what I mean? I'm just losing the accounts. I can always get it back as well. I've lost 6 evals gambling this. My point proven. You see what I mean? Like we all know that the market is moving like shit right now. I mean, we all know this, right? Anyone with a brain knows that this market is horrible. So why are you guys even bothered? Why are you guys even trading this? You know what I mean? And then of course you're gonna blow up your accounts when the market is going. It's not even moving. It's literally stuck. You know, it's stuck where it's at right now. It hasn't moved at all. So why are you guys trying to trade this? Just give it time. I told you guys, give the market time. We have a setup. Just wait for it to play out, and then you guys trade it. You guys kind of have to wake up here because you know what I mean. Like treat this like a business. You know what I mean? Obviously, if you guys are trading with the real account, you're not gonna be forcing trades in this market. You know, just stay disciplined and just be patient. We have the setup. We know we have the setup. We just need time to for it to play out. Last week was shit. I mean, bro, to be honest, last week was green, so I'm not complaining. I know Friday was a little bit of Friday was something, but we'll be fine. Just about 2 accounts under your coupon. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. When was your last red week? It was in December, bro. That week was bad, bro. I lost like I think I lost like 7K. Yeah, it was I don't know if you guys were here. It was when we went on that losing streak. We took 4 L's in a row. But I have no one to blame for myself. Friday was a movie with that trade. Yeah, some of you guys, it's like mixed. Like some of you guys caught it, some of you guys didn't. You know what I mean? I didn't. Okay. I feel the bunch of evals, emotion trading. Haven't taken a trade since the reset because I'm not trying to force it anymore. Only taking high confluence going forward, bro. I mean, keep in mind, bro. We all have to learn the hard way. You know what I mean? I had to learn by losing a ton of money. You had to learn. Everyone here had to learn. You know what I mean? It's how it is, bro. It's how it is. But look, as long as you journal and you find the pattern on what you're doing wrong, you're fine. You know what I mean? It'll fix with time. That's how it is with trading. As long as you don't quit, you'll be fine. It's your tuition to exactly. You know what I mean? Like, let's say for example, you guys pay for college. You know what I mean? You're learning something. You lost money, but you're getting an education out of it. In the market, you're losing money by taking L's, but every single L has a lesson or has a reason behind it. You know what I mean? It could be your emotion trading. There's no discipline, no patience. Maybe the chart was wrong. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. So think of it as like you paying for tuition, just like how V said. It's possible to learn without losing money. Exactly, bro. Because you don't know what it feels like. Anyways, what time is it? Okay, in 20 guys, if we don't get a move to the downside in the next like 15ish minutes, I'm gonna get off until PM session. Because right now the markets are not moving. Like at all. So man, look, these evals to me are my babies. Even though the accounts are somewhat between 15 and 30. Bro, look, trust me, bro. Once you start treating these accounts, like the way I see it is as a business, like trust me, you're gonna start seeing results because you're gonna start trading them more professionally. You're gonna start trading them with a set of rules, with discipline, with patience, when to trade and when not to trade. You know what I mean? But if you're here just to trade for dopamine and all that stuff, you're better off going to the casino. You know what I mean? Like these are, bro, trading is not for fun. It's to actually make money in the market, and that's what a lot of you guys don't understand. Trump at 11? No, he's at 1. He's at 1. But once you guys start trading these accounts as businesses, guys, trust me, everything will change. Because you're gonna start respecting your rules more. You're gonna start doing everything. You know what I mean? I think speaks at 11. No, it's at 1. 1 p.m. ET. Do you use EMA? No, I don't. No. I used to, but not anymore. A plus setups or nothing. Exactly. You always have to stick to that. Let's get it out. Yeah, that works too. That's on a 15-minute IFEG on NQ. NQ does not look promising at all. Look at this. But let me check out the 15-minute. If you're talking about this one, I do like this one. This one does look nice. I would want to inverse this. I'm gonna delete this gap. I'm not gonna use it anymore. But the thing is, I just don't know where we could reject from. I can't wait to tell my kids that I changed The trajectory of the lights with lunch money. Bro, hopefully, bro. Fingers crossed, man. I feel like we're gonna start seeing a sell-off. I mean, we just need a spike in volume. That's all we're missing. Because price is already trying to hold below the sweep. So it's just when. When can we get it? The sun always light. Wait, let me check up on YouTube. I haven't. Bro, I opened my YouTube chat and the first message I see is, David, you've been keeping up your goon streak. Bro, you don't do daily recaps anymore. I do put it's in the announcements channel. So if you do want to check out everything like win or loss, it's all there. A bit of a dumb question. When you pass your eval, do you still pay your funded account every month? No. You don't. It's a one-time fee and that's it. $330 away from passing my 100K funded account. Gonna try to use this payout to buy 1050Ks. Yes, bro. That's like the most. That's like the smartest thing you could have done, or you could do. Right. By the way, let me kind of put this out real quick. Bro, today's market, guys. Obviously, I'm not gonna say my bad. I can't control the market, but you know what I mean. I just wish we had a good market today. Yeah, no, we're pushing up, guys. We're gonna have to come back PM session. This AM is not good. From a friend, just from a friend. Yeah, David, if you hit 52,600 on the PA with the first, no, do more. Try to leave it at like 54,000. Request at 54K. I do. Well, I'm tired. PM session when? I would say anytime after 1 p.m. because that's when Trump is speaking. So once Trump starts speaking, we should get a spike in volume, and depending on whatever happens there, we can trade into it. But we got to be quick with it. So I will be on live, like for sure, if we do get a setup. Hi, Blastoise. Random question. Do you personally help people to pass their funded accounts? Yeah, bro. That's why I'm on every single day. Now, obviously, it's up to you if you want to choose to trade everything that I trade. But if you want to trade extra on your own, I mean, I'm not stopping you. Pretty much what I'm doing here is, I'm sure you guys notice, I'm kind of just trading for myself. I'm just sharing my screen. So if you guys want to follow along, you guys always could follow along. But you know, so if you do want to get funded or whatever, and you feel confident with me, then you can always follow. You can always follow me. I'm not saying I'm all this either. I'm not saying it's going to be a guaranteed pass, but, I'll help you out as much as I can. The thing is, I can't trade alone. Yeah, bro, follow along. I mean, that's why we do this every single day. I mean, for now, we haven't gotten a setup, but once we do, you can always follow. All right, bro? Bro. I finally do Profit Insider. All right, bro, welcome, by the way. Welcome. Super glad to have you. How many points on a candle do you look for on the 15-minute time frame? Anything 40 plus is good. The more, the better. Let me see. He's done that in the past. Did a live account with Top Step to 50K funded, and the first payout, I think, potential to do that again. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Like, you want me to screen share like everything? Is that what you mean? Yeah, honestly, I'm looking down. The thing is, it's a lot to set up, but no, because I want to implement. I want to add Top Step accounts over to my accounts. I want to do Top Step so I can get the weekly payouts. Exactly, Frank. That's what I like, bro. I don't like signal bots. I kind of like, like obviously you guys understanding it, you guys finding setups with me, and then we take it together with different entries. You know what I mean? Or with the same one. It depends on what you feel. But you can copy trade them all together. No, because I want to do Top Step X. I want to do 2 brokers. So here's what I mean, guys. What I've been planning on doing is I want to stack up on 5 Top Step X accounts. And what I want to do is, you guys know how I have my trading view on my main monitor, right? On this one, right? Obviously the one that you guys are looking at right now, right? So what I want to do is, you guys know TopSub X, they have trading view implemented into the broker, right? So what I could do is, I can still screen share Tradevate, and I can also show you guys my exact fills, while I could trade my Tradevate account on my second monitor, like how I usually do. Yeah, that's the thing. TopSub X has been having a lot of issues lately. I mean, they are kind of new, to be honest, but I don't know. I mean, we'll see. But I do want to implement that. But the thing is, the reason on why I haven't done that yet is because it creates a lot of bad habits. Obviously, I don't. You guys know this. I don't want you guys to be only relying off me and only relying off my entries. I want you guys to be learning. But I'll try it. I'll stack up on these accounts very, very soon. I want to do 5 accounts. Have you tried take profit trading? Nah, I'm good off that. I only stick to Apex and TopSub. Nothing more. You don't need anything more. Just use a trade synchronizer. The thing is, it works on certain accounts. Like, for example, if you have Rhythmic, you could do that with multiple prop firms. But I don't. I have Tradevate and I have TopSub X as well. David, would you ever copy trade multiple prop firms? Yeah. I'm planning on doing that. Let me see. I'm switching prop firms to go to one of. No. Look, I'm not even gonna finish reading that. Do not go to one of one. Please, do not go to one of one. I don't know if you're. I'm sure you're trolling. I'm not even gonna feed it. Trade synchronizer works to Tradevate. Does it work with TopSub X? Because that's what I want to do. I want to do TopSub X for the view. If you trade with the actual MNQ ticker, we would see your fills. That's what happened to me when I changed from NQ to MNQ. Yeah, I know. Why good off that? I don't like take profit. Not yet. I haven't done my research. That's what I mean. I'm not saying it's bad. I just, you know. Would you ever play with the meme coin? No, no, not happening. Bro, the Brickle robots keep promoting the top tier traders around the streets. Are you talking about those robots like that Uber uses for Uber Eats, like the pink ones? Bro, I saw one get ran over the other day. Bro. Yeah, the pink ones? Bro, no way. Look, hold on. Let me see if I can find the video. Only a day. Hold on, give me a second. I don't know where it's at. Oh shit. Anyways, okay. V, what's up? Let me see. When I lived in San Francisco, I saw a Waymo crash. A Waymo isn't that like the robots? Waymo. I mean, should my trading account be professional? No, non-professional. Non-professional. Do you only trade bullish? No. I trade with whatever the market gives me. What's up, David from RP's Discord? What's up, bro? Welcome. So driving Uber is what Waymo. Oh, bro. Bro, this market is so garbage. I don't like this market. Oh man. The sun of the wind. Do you think your strategy works with other markets? Yes, bro. Yeah. Remember, bro, we're trading liquidity, and liquidity is what the market is made out of. So yeah, is tomorrow worth trading? I I don't know if it's worth trading. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Probably not. But what's it called? I will be live though. I'm not gonna be the type of person to be like, oh, I'm not going live. But I will be live tomorrow. Don't worry. I'll do commentary if anything. But I personally don't want to trade Powell. I never do. Let me check something. By the way, quick question. Wait, let me see something. Okay. Do you think 1K is enough to put into Tradevate for a live account? Yeah. I mean, if you want to make like you could probably make like a on a good day you can probably make like $100, maybe 200, pretty like often. So yeah. Bro, I have that same exact picture about the cat, bro. I love that picture. This is fire. Are you going live PM session? Yeah, I am for sure though. No, wait, no, not for sure. If we see a setup, I will. I have to be live because if I alert it while Trump is speaking, that's way too much. You know what I mean? It's way too much volume. How much do you recommend? 5K. 5K. That like if you want to make like a few $100s a day, I would trade with $5,000. That's if you have it. If you don't, then just stick to prop firms. Yeah. So yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just do a prop account. It's the same thing. You know what I mean? Is Apex monthly payouts? Yeah, twice a month. Twice a month. Now I'm gonna guys. Like I said, I'm gonna look into these top up accounts. I could probably set them up by tomorrow, so I could start copy or live trading with fills. So you guys can see exactly where I get in. But I want to see how I can implement those. But no promises, because I have to see how it goes. I'm funny with Top Step. I like the weekly payouts. Yeah, but that's one thing. You guys know usually I get like which I'm not complaining at all. You know what I mean? Like 20K a month from payouts. You know what I mean? Like when I request it. But I don't know. I feel like I can do more. You know, which I'm super grateful for what I have now. I'm not trying to make it seem like oh I want more. You know what I mean? But I know I could do more. You know what I mean? Bro, Adrian, bro. I knew you were gonna say that, bro. No, not like that. But you guys get what I'm saying though. Like I feel like I could definitely do more. I know it. I know it. The thing is, on Tops of X, I'm gonna do 150Ks. I'm not gonna do the 50K accounts. Or should I do 50Ks? I don't know. What for my Top Step people in here? Because the rules are different, so I don't know how it works. Would you guys want me to do 50Ks or 150s? Nah, do 50Ks. 50Ks are perfect. Okay, I'll do 50Ks then. I'll try them out. So yeah, 50K is better. All right, cool. 50Ks. Okay, yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it. Let me see. No consistency rule, so like no point of going higher. Exactly. Are you gonna group train them together? Of course, bro. Yeah. That's how we make the most money. But yeah, if anything, I'll stack them up tonight then, and then tomorrow I'll just live trade with my entries, so you guys can see exactly when I click the button. You guys can see everything pretty much. Do 20 accounts? You can only do 5. Are you thinking of using Top Step? Yeah, I used to use it, but I stopped using it because it was really glitchy. Why wouldn't you do 150? Because it's more work, but we'll see. Do 150K. That's just trust me, especially if you're doing how much do you need to pass those accounts? Isn't it like 6K profit, or is it 10K profit? 9K. Yeah. We can size good with that. All right, fuck it. The thing is, since I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow, I don't know if I will do it tomorrow, but I'll probably do it for Wednesday, if anything. Wait, there's $3,000 drawdown for 50Ks? No way. For real? Bro, that's more than enough. That's a lie. Yeah, I figured it. I'm pretty sure it's like 2K drawdown. Yeah. The schedule says you're not trading tomorrow. Oh, that I am trading. No, I'm gonna do commentary. I'm not trading Powell, but if I do see something, I'll obviously like help you guys trade it if you want to risk it. David, what do you think about? I don't know him. No, I don't. Orange hold in 18 minutes. Yeah, no. That's for Euro. That doesn't do anything to the US market. Do you like my photo? Yeah, bro. It's really nice. How are you gonna trade Top Step and Apex? I have 2 monitors. I just trade one on one monitor and the other one on the other one. So you can pass 50Ks in only 2 days. Yeah, but I'm not gonna full port it. Did you see the Kendrick halftime show? Nah, bro. I don't really care about that stuff. Also, I was on my flight, so it's not like I could even watch it. Did you see Kanye's tweets? I saw some of them. They're something. You don't use accounts to trade Top Step and Apex. The thing is, you need a Rhythmic account. That's the thing. It doesn't work with Top Step. I don't think it does. David, how do you enjoy you, bro? Houston is fire. I really like downtown Houston, but it's amazing. I really like it. I know Lonzo does it with 3 firms. I know. But the thing is, I would have to restart my whole progress, which I don't want to do. Wait, David, do you have a PC? And if so, what? Bro, obviously, bro. Okay, yeah, I do have a PC. But one thing I do suggest to you guys is 2 monitors is the best you guys can ever have. It's like, trust me, it's like you need it. Trust me, you guys need it. Please explain the $2,500 drawdown on the 50K account on TopStep. Oh no, you're talking about Apex. Bro, as long as the account doesn't lose $2,500 as it's trailing up, you're fine. Just don't lose that money. Bro, there's no way he put that. Is that real? Bro, Kanye is crazy, bro. That crazy ass guy. Bro. Don't you have to click the button 2 times to get into position if you use 2 brokers? Bro, clicking 2 buttons is not hard, bro. Look, I can just do 1, 2. Boom. That's it. I'm in. You know what I mean? So, selling coming in strong. I don't know, bro. I wanted to get off at 11, but it's not really coming in strong at all. It's pretty slow. Let me delete this. David, do an auto key setup if you're doing 2 brokers. Yeah, I can also do that. I was thinking about it. Trust me, David, clicking 2 buttons at the same time at the moment is difficult. No, bro, because I do that. You know what I mean? What kind of PC do I have? What PC do I have? I think I have like a 4070 or something. I can't see it because the lights are off, but let me see. Hold up. It is a GeForce RTX. I don't know, something like that. Anyways, just type system information in your start button. But let me see. Bro, my eyes, bro. This is bright as hell. Okay, let me kind of like lower this. I have a what am I supposed to look for? Go to performance. Performance. I see hardware, resources, components, software. I don't know. It's a good one. It's a good. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a good one. Anyways, still nothing in this market. Green to red. Yeah, I was about to call it, but I did see a green to red flip here, so I don't know. Maybe it can get interesting soon. Who knows? Maybe we get a lot of selling very, very soon. Hopefully, man. David connect. No, you can't connect. You can't connect. TopStep X to Trading View. There's no volume. I know, bro. I know. That's why. That's why I want to get off. And then we just come back later once Trump starts talking. Can you copy trade on TopStep X? Yeah, you could do 5 accounts. You said for us to get approved / funded by Apex, we can make more than 480 a day. No, you should make less if you're on a 25K account. So, hey, bro, yeah, peace out, bro. Peace out, peace out. Yeah, you can. Yeah, exactly. If you're on a 25K account, if you're on a 50K, it shouldn't be any more than 780 a day. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So try to limit it to But the thing is, if you're on an eval account, you can make as much as you want. Bro, they are, bro. Dude, Kanye is such a weirdo, bro. Can you get approved if you get 1K, but it's only for 1 day? I don't think so. I don't know. It's like a 50-50. It's a crime for real? Is it actually? The hell? Bro, damn. Is that actually a crime? I didn't know that. Bro. Why do you say under 780? Because of the 30% rule, pretty much. So it'll be this one. By the way, for the people on YouTube, I don't know if I said this, but Apex, the 80% off. I don't know if you guys want to take advantage of it. If you do, it's a code on the screen. It's called Blastoise. If you guys do want to take advantage of that. A little plug. You know, bro. What the? Is that your room, bro? Dude, I just cleanest mattress in bro. So you can't make more than 780? No. Here, just go off based off this image right here. But yeah, would you guys be down to come back later? Yep, I'm down too. This market is way too slow, bro. Okay, guys, I'm gonna say try to avoid the market until 1 p.m. Eastern time, because that's when Biden, not Biden, bro, Trump. Well, that's when Trump starts speaking. Yeah. Once he starts speaking, we should be able to get a setup going. Hopefully it's to the downside. Now, if we get something beforehand, we could probably still trade it, but in the meantime, avoid this. All right, guys. All right, bro. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys. What time EST for PST? Well, I don't know. What time? Wait. What time is 1 p.m. EST in PST? That is 10 a.m. So come back at 10 a.m. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off. All right. I'll be back. Well, if we set off, I'll probably get back on. But for now, I'm getting off. All right. What time are we going live? Around 1 p.m. Around 1 p.m. All right. If this plays out, I'll update you guys. Obviously, I'll get back on live and I'll trade it with you guys. But for the meantime, get off. All right. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys, by the way, like I said, if you guys do want to take advantage of the 80% off Apex discount, guys, it's called Blastoise for 80% off, all right? Stack up on those accounts if you guys want to, trade it with me or with us. You know what I mean? Stack up on that, all right, guys? And if you guys do want to join the premium, guys, it's the first link in the description. I'll see you guys there for the PM live trading, all right? I won't be going live on YouTube for the PM, but if anything, I'll be live tomorrow, all right, guys? But yeah, I'll see you guys later then, all right?